Teresa from DevSamurai, and today I'm going to introduce you to TeamBoard TimePlanner, your solution for efficient time management and team collaboration. Let's get started. Click on the app and choosing TeamBoard TimePlanner to access it. Click on the Dashboard tab. User can change the time range. If you prefer to see the data inside your team, you can choose the All Team Members option or select specific team members whose data they would like to view. Additionally, you can easily expand or export the data to image format. The dashboard provides insight of the overview compared to the previous month, schedules, and the report. In the Members tab, My Profile and Dashboard, you will find an overview of your information. Similar to the main dashboard. Switch to Profile tab to view the detailed information about yourself. You can export your profile and also you can edit your profile information, include the job title, department, introduction, technical skills, and experience. In the Timesheet tab, you can access to the timesheets and view their status. In the Leave tab, user can see the details about their leave status, and user can also request the leave. The Report tab allows you to view any reports associated with your profile. Finally, you can access to the Settings tab to customize various of TeamBoard TimePlanner to suit your reference. Here you can choose the capacity, and also choose the holiday calendar. The All Resource provides a detailed view of all available resources. If you are an admin, you can rate the resource. Click Rate, Add New button, View Rate, and click Add. To adjust the resource capacity, find the Capacity section. Here you can input the resource capacity to take the task or projects. In the Team tab, you have ability to manage teams. Click on Create New Team, enter the team name, and add the members to the team. And to review and plan for the team, you can navigate to the team schedule. Additionally, you have an option to set as team leader for multiple users. You also see a list view team. Edit the team name, remove or add members to existing team. You can create a new client in the Client tab. Example, I will create selecting client B for two projects, development and project mobile. Users who are client admins have ability to manage the client list and schedule tasks for clients. You can easily schedule tasks for specific client by selecting the client when creating or assigning tasks. Schedule task, choosing the team or the member you want to schedule. And choosing between the team view or individual view. You can easily navigate the calendar by scrolling to the today and selecting the time range. By clicking on the show work log, you can view the detailed work log information. You can see detail in it. And to plan the task, find the issue in the issue parts and drag it onto the member's calendar. Or you can click on the calendar to open the plan issue dialog. Choose the client issues and add viewable if needed. You can assign multiple team members to the task. Then click the plan button. That says you also can resign the cards. I resign the white and the head. Yeah. Change the status and customize the task color. In the TimeLog tab, user can log their time for scheduled tasks. Click on the white space and start logging working time for tasks or event. Choosing the task you want to log the time. And then click Log Time button. This is what I just created. Start track the time spent for each specific task with the timer. Click Start Timer and selecting the issue. Or you can click on the play button on the issues. Timer will start to track. And if you want to stop, you can lock this time. You can lock this time or cancel it. If you change your mind, you can keep it. Example, I will lock this time. It will appear on the chart line 10. It says today. You can also work with TimeLog on the issue detail panel. Choosing the TeamBoard TimePlanner to enable the panel, you can see Add TimeLog and Start Timer button. And after complete your work, you will need to submit your timesheet. Choosing the approver and click submit. Or if you change your mind, you can click record. The approver will receive your submitted timesheet in the Timesheet Approval tab. They can approve or reject it, as well as add any necessary notes. And in the My Timesheet tab, you can view reports of your timesheet. Similarly, you can access timesheet reports of all members of your team if you are a team leader. Choosing the team and choosing the member you want to see the reports. Users can see details about their leave status, leave allocation, remain leave days, taken days. User also make a leave request, choose the range of times, leave type, and approval as well. Choose another day because I can request today. Okay, leave requests which were sent to the user to approve are listed in leave approval. Approver can accept or reject the leave. Yeah, you can see the information in the panel. Users who are billing admins have ability to add cost for each task during the scheduling process. When scheduling, you can choose the rate type that has been set in the settings, or you can customize it according to your specific needs. Once you have set the cost for tasks, you can navigate to the Cost tab to view the reports for individual resources, teams, projects, and clients. Go to the Report tab to view detailed status report for member, task, and group. You can switch between these tabs and see all about the report. In the setting, you can setting a lot of things. Example, allow the user change the approver, the default approver, or everything with easy. About the permissions, add the user with specific permissions. However, please note that you cannot delete yourself from the systems. Working capacity, the maximum amount of work that can be performed by a member. You can create a new capacity screen, set it default, edit, delete capacity stream. or assign working capacity stream to the resource. Admin can update the holiday calendar. Other members can only view the holiday calendar. You can edit, import the country holidays or create the new holiday calendar. Enable the leave approval workflow allows all leave requests go through an approval process. Allocation days, number of the days allocated per year, leave types, manage and create a leave type. The rate and cost setting feature allows you to configure the rate type for easier scheduling and cost calculations. Fill data, the data to add on your profile information. Data field mapping the start date and end date to Jira fields. Choosing the project you want to map, then start to mapping. Just click it to start mapping. My settings allows you to personalize your settings and preference similar to my setting option in the dashboard. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team for assistance. Thank you for watching.